Well, good morning, friends, subscribers, internet strangers. Was sort of losing my my energy this morning, and it's only 9 a.m. Just thought I'd let y'all look out the front window. What a beautiful day it is here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And guess what? We are out of here. All right, this is take number 3. Maybe I won't ramble as bad the third time around. So let's see, what have you missed in my outtakes? You missed a lady cutting us off up in front of us. I dropped the F-bomb, so I had to get rid of that section. It was too long anyway. I was rambling for like 8 minutes. I'm like, man, I'm tired of listening to my own self-talk. Take number 2. I pull up to the first door. Hell, I've been there yesterday. So, yeah, there's that. Cops out early this morning. So there's that. And now take number 3, trying to get to a UPS store to drop the stuff off I worked on yesterday. It's all ready to go. And then no turn on red. Man, the North likes no turn on red signs. Y'all can help out some of this traffic by letting people turn on red. Just saying. There's some cool houses in this area I'm at, and I'm heading south of Pittsburgh towards Bethel Park. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I think that's what it is. But today's plans, head towards Charleston, South Carolina. Well, Charleston, West Virginia, the other one. South Carolina will be a long trip. I think it's about 2 hours from here, maybe 2.5. But just have not had a lot of luck on these first 2 days in the big cities for the item I'm hunting. I found quite a bit of them, but it's been out in the middle of nowhere. So we're going out in the middle of nowhere. We're heading to, I think the first town that's of any kind of size is Morgantown, West Virginia. I think that's where University of West Virginia resides. And then we will drop down Interstate 79 and get on and off the interstate, stopping at stores till we get to Charleston, and then we will mess around in Charleston, because Charleston it's the state capital, but it's not a big city, not compared to the rest, not compared to a Pittsburgh, which is a monster. No turn on red. SOB. And then probably towards Lexington, Kentucky. So I was interesting sights, sounds from the road. I'll find some cool stuff. Yesterday, that part of the video got kind of screwed up with the Osiris Shriners Hospital. That was a cool place with the Shriner out front, the statue. You know, any group. Say what you want to about groups and affiliations when your main focus is to help kids. Helping kids is a good thing. So and just up and down the Ohio River, it was just some amazing buildings, a lot of decay, you know, with the steel industry and all that kind of stuff, you know, and the little towns that were built up to support these industries are now gone. It was. And then one of the power plants that I saw yesterday, the one, I think it's the one in the video, the one that's blowing big white smoke. It looks like a nuclear reactor, and it started out as a nuclear reactor, but it then got converted to coal. So that was a coal-fired plant masquerading as a nuclear tower. So that was pretty interesting. And then come around the corner, couldn't get the camera out fast enough because I ran into a nuclear plant. They had 4 cooling towers. 4. You know, most of the time you see when there are a couple towers, but this one had 4 of the big stacks. So that was cool. So yeah, there's that. Man, there's some nice houses. I'll find some more cool stuff, and I'll be back. Sorry, I would have made better video there at the Goodwill here, but damn it, somebody called me right in the middle of it. Anyway, I get in I'm like, damn, look, there's a Goodwill, pull over. Because, you know, I don't have Goodwills on my map. And I'll be damned if I ain't been in this one before. I had to stop anyway, but you know you travel too much when you're in Morgantown, West Virginia, you find a Goodwill, and damn, you've been to this one. It's been that kind of day. Today is sucked pretty large. Now this is the roads you find yourself on when you're in the middle of nowhere in West Virginia. Clendenin, West Virginia. You got the mountain on one side and the river on the other. Good luck with either one. Well, the river was probably a little safer because there's a big guardrail. But yeah, this is... Sorry about all the bugs on the windshield. I've killed some today. Give it just a second. Can't really see the river much. But yeah, this is how it's been for part of the day. Right in the middle of nowhere, having a good time. I'm sure to part the tour of the hotel room. This is a Ramada Limited. It's a limited because I asked what makes it a limited. Oh, no microwave. This is a refrigerator. Looks like there used to be a microwave. Everybody died. Lay chair, queen bed, maybe a king. Who knows? A couple of nightstands. Oh look, there's nobody in the closet to come out of the closet. That's pretty good. Bathroom, pretty standard fare. At least tonight I don't have a handicap bathroom. And I probably need one for being mental handicap, but that's alright. So this ends today. Huntington, West Virginia, Ramada Unlimited. It is a limited because it has a pool, a jacuzzi, and an extra building that can be done for conferences or weddings or whatever. Just a Ramada is just a straight hotel. Right. No pool, no jacuzzi, no extra. The rooms are the same, everything's the same. Because, you know, I'm like, what makes this a limited? Not much. means it doesn't suck as much. Right. See y'all tomorrow. Long road home.